Good morning. My name is John. We're out front the Perazzo household with a rock of architectural interest in the southwestern United States. You can see this one is white in the sun, but you can't feel how sharp this edge is. You can see the cracks. You might be able to discern the hardness. If I could show you the fragility of how easily it breaks, but it doesn't. It's still pretty hard. It's just fragile. Here's another piece over here. But you can see the whiteness, how bright it is. Several pieces around in the front here. I think maybe, is that the same? Just because they're next to them, each other, doesn't mean they're the same. A little dirty, but I believe they are the same. Any ideas? Beautiful. This smooth is here. This is rough. I believe it's gypsum. But that news might be anticlimactic to you. Why is gypsum so important? I'm sure you could now, with the name, Google it and find out all the building uses for gypsum. But I just wanted to introduce maybe one rock a day or something to highlight the interest in the collection of rocks of architectural interest in the southwestern United States. And if you had a planet, some foreign solar system, it'd be very difficult to know if gypsum were part of that. So you might want to ask, what conditions would the planet need for gypsum to find gypsum on a foreign planet? Thank you for joining me.